Ma'am, afternoon. Ilagan talaw dire. Amin ni Shopee delivery. Ma'am, good afternoon. Ka-receive na mo, Shopee. Bayad naman. Bayad naman siya, ma'am. Bayad naman. Isa ka naka-box. Naka-box siya. Sige order sa ano, pero bayad naman siya. Wala na may bayaran. Pa-receive na lang na mo. Ito dali, ma'am. Dira, ma'am. Ano ko, ma'am? Siguro sa Shopee man, pero bayad na. Wala na may bayaran. Dali lang, ma'am. Pa-receive na mo.
Shopee, sure?
Opo.
Ang mga order kay usap pa mga tumabot.
Happy birthday! Dito, ma'am.
Nanay siya.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Sabay-sabay.
La.
Kansa na sa puluhod.
Ang sana yan! Nagluhod di ay! Excuse me ha? Ma'am, kabalo ka kinsay nagpadala.
Ako na lang ba na?
Sige. Na-message si Sir Ana siya to my wife and happy birthday. May the Lord bless you and keep you and make His face shine upon you. May God, the fountain of hope, fill you to overflowing with uncontainable joy and perfect peace as you trust in Him. And may the power of Holy Spirit continually surround your life with His super abundance. Thank you for being a lamp
Pakita mo hilak ang to.
and the matriarch of our household, like a steady flame that keeps our house bright and safe. You are the strong wife, a mother and a father to our children, and that anchors with care and wisdom during my absence. Stay beautiful and blessed beyond the horizon. I love you and I miss you so much, Mommy Ivy.
Tama na.
From husband all the way from 5 oceans of the world. Oy, sister. Ma'am, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Mga yun sa may mensahe mo para kay sir.
Thank you, Daddy. Nagluhod to. Wala. Thank you sa effort. Ako nga sila tigulan. Thank you, Daddy. Love you. Thank you so much. Thank you sa tanan.
Wow. Ikapila na ni ma'am.
Katatlo.
Wow. Nanay bibi nga gamay sila. Sige. Sige. Kanta na. Kanta na to si Mami og happy birthday, be.
Love you.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Pretty man na, oy. Ang baby girl ni Daddy,
Thank
pretty
you.
man. Ma, make a wish and blow your candle. Yay!
you.
Happy birthday! Kamu ma'am, mas napakay.
Gosh. Ana. Thank you.
Naka-picture taking, gad mo pag-abot na mo ba?
Ha? Ano?
Ma'am, happy birthday. Kami ang Sweet Joy Well of Surprise sa Kidapawan, no? Happy May nga kami ang napili ni Sir para magatod karon sa imong surprise dire.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hopefully na
How
happy ka.
Daini. Nakagiya sa iya, ha? Nahiyang gitubag.
Okay. Ma'am, unsay feeling karon?
Happy.
Ha? Happy wala?
Happy, siyempre happy.
Wow.
In 37 years.
Okay.
Good. Lahi-lahi way.
Nakapuntos yun si Sir, no? Nakapuntos yun si Sir karon. Say katulong nga, baby. Happy birthday! Napaka natin
Nga, nalito.
Kani, sabi niya nino kay si Daddy. Sa nino ka mo wala po si Daddy.
Number one, bonggang surprise para sa lahat ng okasyon. Ang iyong maasahan, anniversary man o simple